In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find number of letters in your name in Excel. To get started, open the Excel workbook where you want to count the number of letters in a name. This can be any workbook you're already working in or a new one if you just want to practice the formula first. Once your sheet is open, make sure your sample data is ready. In this example, the names are placed in cells A1 through A4, so we'll use that range as our starting point. Next, we'll add a simple heading for the results. Click cell B1 and type number of characters. This helps label the output clearly, especially if you're working with multiple columns of data and want to keep everything organized. Now click cell B2. This is where you'll enter the formula that counts the characters in the name beside it. Type an equal sign, then LEN, followed by an opening parenthesis, the cell reference A2, and then a closing parenthesis. The formula should read as equals LEN open parenthesis A2 close parenthesis. After that, press enter. Excel will immediately calculate the number of characters in the cell you referenced. If the name in A2 is John, Excel returns 4 because John contains 4 characters. This is a quick and reliable way to count letters, or more accurately, characters in a cell. That means Excel counts everything in the cell's text. So if there are spaces or punctuation marks, those are included too. In this example, we're simply using it to count the letters in a name. If you want to count characters in a different cell, you can modify the formula by replacing A2 with another cell reference. For example, if the name is in A3, you would use the same formula structure but point it to A3 instead, then press enter to see that result. Once you've confirmed the formula works in B2, you can copy it to the remaining rows so you don't have to type it again manually. Select cell B2, then move your cursor to the bottom right corner of the cell until you see the fill handle, which looks like a small square. Click and drag that handle down to B4. Excel will automatically adjust the formula for each row, so each name in column A gets its own character count in column B. This is especially useful when you're working with a list of names and need results quickly. And that's it. You now know how to use the len function in Excel to find the number of letters in a name.